Sir, good afternoon, sir. This is October Solomon doing BIT. Still, I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to a second session of reassembling of a computer. The first session I did was disassembling. Now I'm doing reassembling. So, with your permission, allow me to carry on, and I'm going to begin or to start with with the motherboard that I'm going to start with. That I'm going to fit back to the case. So, this is how I do it. You take it gently down when you're fitting it. Take it gently down. Having taken it gently down, you make sure that you fit it well to its holes. So having fitted it well, you make sure you fasten it now with the screws. These are the screws that I'm picking. You fasten it with the screws, and you make sure that the holes are aligned. You can see when you align the holes well, you find that the screws move freely. Screws move freely. They are even driven by the hand without you struggling. Yes. Yes. You don't struggle with them. Just align the motherboard well. Find the screws move freely without you struggling. So here now I come with my screwdriver. I fasten them. I fasten them. Yes. Okay. I fasten them. So having fitted back the motherboard, I go ahead, I connect to my speaker. This is a speaker I'm connecting. Then this other. So after that, I come and fit my my power module. I fit back my power module. You slide it back properly. Then after, I secure my wires here for the power. These are power cables that pick power from the power module, power supply module, and supply it to the CPU. So they are connected to the CPU. You connect them back to the CPU. I bring them and secure them here, and I connect them back. I fit them back. Yes. Fit them back. Having fitted them back, I come now and connect my hard disk together with a CD drive. I slide them backward. When they fit like that, you align them well. And then you secure them with the screws. Make sure you align them well, not to disturb you. Because once you align them well, the screws move smoothly. So then you fasten them. So after now that, my next item I'm going to put back is my Osmos battery. So having put my Osmos battery, I come back and put the next item, that is CPU. My next item is a CPU. My cameraman, you can take me, can also be coming nearer. You fit it well. When you see that it's not seated well, turn it the other side. You see now it has sat well. Then you secure it by sliding that thing down. So after that, I come now and fit back my CPU fan. You make sure CPU fan, I fit it inside here. I first fit the wire back to the motherboard, because from this wire is where we get power from. You do it gently, don't panic. Go slowly. Yes, it has entered. After that, you come and align the CPU fan screws, and then you fasten them. Fasten them. Fasten them. Fasten them. Okay, having fastened them, now here I'm going to connect back my wires that are connected to the motherboard, and they are connected to the disk. I had a disk and a CD drive, but this one, particularly this one, if you have another external disk, you can connect here. So this one is the one that goes to a hard disk. I connect it, I fit it back. Back to the disk. Then these ones now, these are the ones that connect to a CD drive. I fit them back to the CD drive. Okay, so having connected them back to the CD drive, you make sure you secure them in a way that they don't interrupt the fan from running smoothly. You secure them there. So from there now, I come and also put my extra fan. I have another extra fan. I fit it back first here, correct. Then I also come here and secure it. For it, it has just plastic rubber. Just as you can see me pull, you just pull it there, you pull them, you make it come small, then you pull from out. Yes, now my fan is also secure. It's there, very secure. Oh, it's this one. Okay, now it has fitted well. So after that, now I come and fit my front cover. I fit my front cover. Okay, after my front cover, I come now and fit my body, my case back. Just a moment. Okay, so now my CPU is now ready for testing. It is ready for testing. I've fitted everything back. Everything is now fitted back, ready for testing. You can fast forward.